pickle, quick pickle. Doesn't need heat. Nope. It's gonna be awkward no matter what. I'm an awkward person. Quickle pickle. Hey guys, it's Rachel P. coming to you from my salad workshop, and today we're going to be quick pickling some onions. Quick pickle is just a term used for any pickling liquid that doesn't need heat before you add anything to it, so it's quicker. All you need is some water, some vinegar, some granulated sugar, some kosher salt, a slice of beet, and some onions. To this water, we're going to add some rice vinegar, and you can use whatever vinegar you want. I'm using rice vinegar today, it's nice and mild. Some granulated sugar, some kosher salt, and then we're gonna whisk this until you can't see any more of the sugar or salt. So once you can't see any more sugar or salt, it's all dissolved. It's ready to pour onto our onions. I took a medium onion and cut it into some half-moon slices. By now, I'm sure you've all already seen my video on how to chop an onion, but if you haven't, don't worry, we'll wait. Okay, and so now we are just gonna add that slice of raw beet to the jar. This is totally optional. It's kind of a restaurant hack to get those bright pink pickled onions. It doesn't make your onions taste like beet. We're just gonna pour the brine over them. Now, you don't have to pickle onions with this liquid. You can do the exact same thing and pickle cucumbers, carrots, asparagus, green beans, whatever you want. I'm just gonna kind of stick that beet in there a little bit, close the jar, and then just let it sit at room temperature for about an hour, and then in the fridge for about 2-3 weeks. And that's it. You can see this is already getting kind of pink, millennial pink. For more tips and recipes, check out my website, JoyFullFoods.com. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and click right now to subscribe for more videos. Bye.